Team, I just started the recording now, yes, and sharing my screen, team. Kindly mute yourself, team. I think someone video is on. Check and off your video also. Are you able to see my screen, team?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Krishna.
So thanks all of you for sharing your information and thanks for joining the session. Myself, Krishna, I'm the founder and director of Tech Leads IT, and I started this company back in 2012. And we were teaching Oracle EBS courses. Now from 2015 ending onwards, we started teaching only Oracle Fusion courses. And recently we started SAP courses also. We are expanding our wings in terms of the training domain. And also I started IT services company also. Currently we are doing 2 projects through a middle layer. And we're also doing the staffing services as well. Okay, that's about Tech Leads IT company. And I'm having 18 years of experience into Oracle ERP, complete 18 years experience into Oracle EBS side and Oracle Fusion. From 2016 starting onwards, I'm working on Oracle Fusion only. And so far I did 4 implementations and currently I'm working for a support project. Okay. And I have handled different clients from different domains into hospitality side and telecommunication side and pharma side. Okay, so I worked with different customers from different industries. Okay, and coming to my primary modules is supply chain management is my primary area, and my secondary skill set is discrete manufacturing and process manufacturing, and my third skill set is planning. Okay, and as part of this training, I'm covering the supply chain management and procurement. Coming to my training experience, I have been into teaching from 2012, and so far on Oracle EBS, I completed 53 batches. On Oracle Fusion, I completed 60 plus batches. Okay, so your batch number is going to be 65. And I also take part-time trainings from Oracle University, and I deliver to the MNC companies like Accenture and Deloitte and LTI. Whenever I have a free time, I also deliver the corporate trainings directly or from through Oracle University also. Okay, so I can say I'm a part-time Oracle University trainer as well. And yeah, we are assembled here to understand about the supply chain management course and what is covered in this course, duration part, and how this course is benefited to you. Okay, so we'll discuss that in the coming slides. So here in this course, starting from this batch, I'm giving a touch on the Redwood also, and as well as AI, artificial intelligence also, because artificial intelligence is in everywhere, any industry, any technology. Artificial intelligence is playing a key role. So how artificial intelligence is playing a key role under supply chain management also we will discuss in our coming classes. Okay. And I'll be talking about Redwood also. Sir, what is meant by Redwood? Redwood is nothing but a new look and feel, from Oracle. So all our current pages are getting changed to the new look and feel and new forms. Okay, so that also I'll be covering in this course. Okay, and since few freshers are there, let us discuss about what is ERP also. Few non-IT people are there, few freshers are there. Okay, we'll discuss what is ERP. So for the ERP, okay, I'll take a regular our real-time best example. I will take, suppose if you're having a small retail shop. If you're having a small retail shop, what are the day-to-day transactions happens in your retail shop? Anyone can. If you're having a small retail shop, what are the day-to-day business transactions happens in your shop?
Yes, selling of goods basically.
Correct.
Buying and selling.
Yeah, and again procuring the say goods
Procurement,
for maintaining the inventory.
correct.
Updating inventory transactions, maintenance in the software where they can rectify what is the invoices generated and how much
Purchase.
inventory is available and updated.
Correct.
Purchasing.
Yeah, purchasing, sales, stock maintenance, invoices, payments, okay, and receiving the money from customers, okay. So all these transactions, how much stock is available, how much sale you made, how much you purchased, where you maintain. If you're having a single shop, you're going to maintain in a book, right? You're going to maintain in a book, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Suppose if you're having 10 shops, maybe in Excel, or maybe a small ERP software. There are small ERP software also available, maybe small ERP software, but your business is across the globe, then you need an ERP application. You need an ERP application to capture all your day-to-day business transactions related to sales, procurement, stock, or finance related data, HR related data, manufacturing related data, any department related data, business transactions. If you want to capture, you need an ERP application. You need an ERP application. Sir, what is the abbreviation for ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. And in this software, in this ERP application, we are gonna capture all our company business transactions in this software, in this application. It could be related to your supply chain, or related to your inventory, nothing but stock, your manufacturing data, your HR data. HR data is nothing but how many employees are working in your company, what is their salaries, and what is their designations, they're reporting to whom, and monthly they will you run the payroll for them, right? Monthly salaries. All those business transactions related to your company are managed in this software. This software is called as a ERP application. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So this software, this application is built by Oracle back in 1980s. 1980, 1980s. So first it has built an ERP application called Oracle E-Business Suite. In 1980s, it has built an ERP application called Oracle E-Business Suite. Now this is the latest ERP application. This is the latest ERP application that is built by Oracle. Sir, why Oracle has built two ERP applications? Why two? What is the reason? Why two? Currently, we are already having this ERP application, which is called as Oracle EBS. And why Oracle has built another application called Fusion? Why? What is the need? This is a explanation. So our Oracle EBS is famous for financials. Our Oracle EBS is famous for financials. There are other ERPs available in the market like PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. These three ERP applications are built by another companies. PeopleSoft is famous for HRMS. Siebel is famous for CRM. JD Edwards is famous for procurement. So in the market, our EBS product is available and other ERP applications are also available. What Oracle has done is Oracle has purchased, nothing but acquired all these ERP applications. PeopleSoft is famous for HR and Siebel is famous for CRM. Sonia, can you please stop playing? Can you please stop playing, Sonia?
Can you please explain about this PeopleSoft, sir? That PeopleSoft. One second.
1 second. Sonia, don't play with the. So PeopleSoft is famous for HR. To capture your company HR information, PeopleSoft is famous. And Siebel is famous for CRM. It's for CRM. And JD Edwards is famous for procurement. So these different ERP applications are available in the market from another companies. Oracle has acquired all these three companies, and our EBS is famous for financials. By mixing all these ERP applications, because this is best for financials, this is best for HRM, this is best for procurement, this is best for CRM. So different ERP applications are famous for different modules. Why don't I mix all these ERP applications? Why don't I build another ERP called Fusion? That is the foundation for Fusion application. It acquired these three ERP applications. We have our own ERP application also. Okay. So all these ERP applications, it has mixed and it has built a Fusion ERP. Okay. And this Fusion ERP is also a cloud-based product. When I say cloud-based product, your software, nothing but your application is managed by Oracle. If you take Oracle EBS is an on-premise application. Oracle Fusion is completely cloud-based application. Sir, what is the difference between on-premise and cloud? In case of on-premise, you have to buy hardware and you have to install the software in your hardware. Nothing but your server you are maintaining in your office premises. But whereas cloud, your server is maintained by Oracle itself. Suppose a simple example for beginners to understand the difference between pen drive and Google Drive. In case of pen drive, you have to buy the hardware, right? In case of Google Drive, do you need to buy any hardware? Not required, right? It's a cloud. So you can store everything on the cloud. So similarly here also, in case of Oracle EBS, it's an on-premise application. You have to manage your server. But if it is a cloud, Oracle will manage your server completely. You need not to purchase the hardware also. So this is one more major difference between Oracle EBS to Oracle Fusion. Because in case of Oracle Fusion, your capital expenditure and operational expenditure is less. Sir, actually capital expenditure is zero. Sir, what is meant by capital expenditure? In case of on-premise, you have to buy server, right? You have to buy hardware, correct? Everyone with me?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to buy
Yes.
hardware. It's called as a capital expenditure. Not only buying the hardware today. So if any new processor comes after 1 year, after 2 years, you have to upgrade your hardware continuously. Okay. But in case of cloud, are you purchasing any hardware? Capital expenditure is zero here. Capital expenditure, zero here. Sir, what about operational expenditure? Operational expenditure is nothing but to manage your server, you need network administrators, because for your server, you have to provide security, right? You need network administrators, system administrators, you need DBS also. You need people to manage your server. So for the people, you have to pay salaries and you have to give them a office space. If you give them office space, you have to provide pantry, housekeeping department, security department, travel department, and HR department for those employees, finance department for those employees, right? If you have to maintain 10 employees means on top of 10 employees, other overheads are also there, like whatever I told you. So 10 employees are working to manage your server. For those 10 employees, you need one HR, right? You need one finance guy, you need one housekeeping person, and you need traveling department, and you need security department. Those are all operational expenditure only. Not only employee salaries, on top of employee salaries, other operational expenditure is also there. Okay, but in case of cloud, who is managing your server? Your server is completely managed by Oracle. It's a completely managed by Oracle. Here also operational expenditure is zero. Capital expenditure and operational expenditure both are zero, because I was doing an implementation in Singapore, and I was talking to IT director of that company, and I asked that ID director, okay, so why you have because in the market currently these two ERP applications are available. Oracle EBS is available, Oracle Fusion is available. This question I have asked to the IT director: why you have not purchased Oracle EBS? Why you have purchased Oracle Fusion? Then that IT director has said is, we did the cost comparison and we found Oracle Fusion is cheaper than Oracle EBS. That's why, and also Fusion is the latest trending ERP application from Oracle. That's why we have purchased Oracle Fusion, because every company wants to use the latest technology that is available in the market. Okay, that's why they started implementing Oracle Fusion application. They're using it also currently. Okay. So I hope everybody is clear till now. These 3 slides. What is ERP? What are the current Oracle ERPs?
Yes, sir.
What is the foundation for Fusion? And what is the difference between on-premise and cloud application? Okay. And one more point I would like to tell you. So the customers, current customers who are using Oracle EBS, they has to come to Oracle Fusion. Oracle has given a deadline. till 2035, slowly all these customers has to move from Oracle EBS to Oracle Fusion. Okay. And one more interesting part here, this Oracle Fusion application, every quarter, it is releasing the new features. Every quarter, quarterly basis, this Oracle Fusion is getting added with the new features. So that is really encouraging. That is really encouraging for the customers to use always latest features and latest functionalities in the application. Okay. So by 2035, all the EBS customers has to use Oracle Fusion applications only. Okay. Now this is the journey of Oracle Fusion application. So you can see the first thing here, 11. This 11 is nothing but we have our human generations. So we are in which generation? 21st generation, right? We are in 21st generation, correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So similarly, Oracle is also having generations, sir. Okay. Currently, Oracle is in. What is Oracle generation? Anyone know? Knows? So Oracle products are also having generations. So if you see our Oracle EBS, previous version is what?
11i.
R12.
Previous generation is 11.
11i.
11.
Now latest is
R13.
Fusion.
R13.
R12. Now next is gonna be. So basically, what I'm trying to convey. So all the Oracle products currently in release 12 and they are moving to release 13. Release 13, nothing but we are moving towards the 13th generation. Currently, we're in which generation? 12th generation, and all the Oracle products are moving to the 13th generation. If you take Oracle EBS current version is also 12th version only, nothing but release 12 and moving to the 13th version in future. So if you take Oracle database also, 11i, 12c, 11i and 12c, 11 is nothing but 11th generation, 12 is nothing but 12th generation. So all the Oracle products currently in the 12th generation, and slowly all the products are moving to the 13th generation. So what was our previous generation? 11th generation as per Oracle. From 11th generation to 12th generation, 12th generation to the 13th generation. Our Oracle application, our Fusion application is already in the 13th generation. It is already in the 13th generation. But our Oracle Fusion product development started in 11th generation. Product development started in 11th generation. That's why you see these are the old versions basically. In the old versions, you see 11.1.1, 11.1.2, and 1.3 like that. These are old versions. Okay. But this is the latest version, which is nothing but release 13. Release 13, 24D. 24D. Okay. So our next version is basically. Our next version is basically 25A. It is 25A. Because, as I mentioned, Fusion application is upgrading on quarterly basis. Oracle has divided entire year into 4 quarters. Currently, we are in which quarter? First quarter, right?
Yeah.
First quarter, which is A. So later we'll get which quarter? Quarter B, C, D. 25A, 25B, 25C, and 25D. Every quarter, Oracle is releasing new updates to our Fusion application. Okay. A lot of advantages are there because of this. Because one advantage is, suppose take a simple example, sir. You are using a mobile, right? Our mobile get automatically upgraded, right? New updates comes to your mobile software, correct? So when you install new updates to your mobile software, what will happen?
Some new specialization added.
New functionalities get added.
Yeah.
Correct. New functionalities get added and performance get improved. Correct. Yes or no?
Yeah, the speed, performance.
Yeah. Look
Bug
in.
fixes.
Yeah. That's very big thing. Someone said, who's that? Swapnila? Who said that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bug fixing. So existing bugs are also automatically get fixed.
Yeah.
So that is
Improved
repeated
security as well.
issue raised during the support, those get resolved.
Correct. That's
And
right.
improved security as well, sir.
Yeah, security, performance, new functionalities, and new look and feel. Okay, so your application should be upgraded on quarterly basis. Yes, our Fusion application is doing that. And because of the bug fixing functionality, I'll tell you, suppose I'm using Fusion application, you're also using Fusion application. I reported one bug to Oracle. So if Oracle thinks it has to be updated in everybody application, Oracle is going to update that to everybody environment. In case of Oracle EBS, suppose if you take Oracle EBS, it's an individual server, right? I'm maintaining my server, you're maintaining your server. Suppose if I face a bug, I'm going to fix myself. If you face a bug, you're going to fix yourself because your server is different, my server is different. But in case of Fusion application, if I report a bug to Oracle, Oracle thinks that that bug has to be fixed in everybody environment, then Oracle is going to update that bug and the Oracle will apply patch in everybody environment.
Sir, just one question. Does it affect the existing customization then in that case?
Oracle will take care of that part.
Okay.
Okay. Oracle will do that analysis and everything. Okay, it will apply, and it will not directly apply in the production environment. First, it will apply in the test only. Okay, so you people can verify whether it is affecting to your customizations or your personalizations. You can verify it. And, accordingly, you can work on your customizations and personalizations once that it get updated.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
So always our Fusion application is on the latest technology side, trending side. Okay. In fact, some of the artificial intelligence features are also already added into our Fusion application. Okay. Simple ERP features are already added into Fusion application. And also because of the redwood, you can use this application in your mobile also, in any device. It is compatible. The foundation for Redwood is your application should be compatible in any device. That's why Oracle is bringing the Redwood. So you can use in your mobile, in your tablet, or a 14 inches screen, or 15 inches screen, or a laptop, okay, or a Chrome browser, or a Firefox browser, or Safari browser, any browser. Okay, it is compatible to all these devices and all these browsers. That's why Oracle is bringing the Redwood pages. Okay, so almost under the supply chain management, I would say 30 to 40% of pages currently available in Redwood. Supply chain management currently available in Redwood screens. Okay, that we'll discuss in the coming classes. So you're talking about a cloud product. Fusion is a cloud product. So we should talk about these three terminologies: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. Who is maintaining our infrastructure? Who is maintaining our server?
Oracle.
Oracle is maintaining our server. So in your project, in your team, you will not see IaaS consultants. You'll not see IaaS consultants. DBA consultants are no more in Fusion. So because your server is managed by Oracle. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between SaaS and PaaS? So PaaS is technical team. PaaS is technical developers. So PaaS stands for platform as a service. Platform as a service, PaaS consultant. PaaS consultant. Okay, nothing but developers. So what they do is they will develop the reports. Suppose I wanted to have a report. I have ran newer offer sales because of that newer discount compared to last year and this year. How much sale got increased? I want a report. So those reports are developed by PaaS consultants. Not only reports, they also build integrations between the systems. Sir, what is meant by integration? Suppose if you take, Cultifit, right? Cultifit. Cultifit is using Oracle Fusion application. So you're placing an order in mobile app or maybe in website, right? On Cultifit website, you are placing an order, or maybe on Cultifit mobile app, you are placing an order. that sales order, it is automatically that is integrated to Fusion application in the background. So you're placing an order in website, but that is hitting your Fusion application, right? It's integration. Here website and your Fusion application are interchanging the data. Not only that, if you take Flipkart also using Oracle. And you know Ola, Uber, right? Ola, Uber is also using Oracle. Amazon is also using Oracle. And coming to banking side, HSBC, I think HSBC is using Oracle, and Airtel is using Oracle. So they have different applications, not only our Fusion application, they have their websites, mobile apps, and other different systems are also there. So the data get exchanged or interchanged between these systems. So those integrations are built by PaaS consultants. Currently they're called as technical consultants, but in the future they will be called as a PaaS consultants. And in fact, in future, these PaaS consultants are divided into reporting consultant and integration consultant. Right now, both are handled by one resource, but in the future, you remember my word, in the future, reporting consultant is going to be different and integration consultant is going to be different in future. Okay. And now we fall here. We fall under SaaS consultants. So SaaS consultants are called as functional consultants. So SaaS stands for software as a service. So what SaaS consultant is going to do? SaaS consultant is going to configure the client requirement, in the ERP application. Are we building any ERP application? No. Oracle has already developed an ERP application. Are we building any ERP application here? No. Oracle has already developed a ERP application called Fusion. In that Fusion application, according to the client requirement, we configure client setups in that application. Suppose an example, simple example. You know, all of us are using Facebook, right? If I ask you to create a Facebook business profile, not normal personal profile, business profile, you should know what are all the options that you have to enter, right? To create a business profile under Facebook, you should know all the options, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So similarly here, Oracle Fusion application is already built by Oracle. So in that, we need to configure the client setups. We have to talk to the client, and according to the client requirement, we have to configure the client entities, client locations, client data, and the client business in that application. So client can be from different industries. If you take an example of Flipkart is into e-commerce, Airtel is into telecommunications, Ola into transport, Cultfit into fitness, and HSBC Bank into banking, finance side. So your client could be from different industries. For all those clients, for all those different industries, this is the ERP application. In this ERP application, we need to configure their entities, their data, and their configurations, their locations, everything we need to configure. So for that, we need to talk to them and we need to get the data from the client and we have to configure the application, this ERP application according to the client requirement. That's what we do. Okay. Now, I will show you the application team. Okay. So I think I stopped screen share, right? Are you able to see my screen?
No.
I stopped the screen share. Let me show you the application. Okay. I'm going to show you the application. Just give me a moment. I'm going to bring it back to your screens. If you're having any questions, so please note down, team. Okay. At the end, I'll give time so that I'll clarify all of your questions. So not only this session, if you're attending any sessions, please make sure you're having a notes and pen with you so that you can note down what is discussed in that day. And also, in case if you're having any questions, you can also note down, and when I give a chance for Q&A, you can ask questions. Sharing my screen. Team, we shared a form. Team, we shared a Google form. Those who are joined to the session late, kindly fill your details in the form.
The email ID you shared, sir?
In the chat.
Share.
Yeah. So
Okay,
please
share.
chat message and click on that form and submit your details, team. Those who joined late. Okay. Now you see the
Okay.
application, team. You see this application. Let me show you from the login page. This is the Fusion application. So this Fusion application you can open from any device. You can open from any device. Okay. So you just need to have internet. No coming to system requirements, nothing to be installed. You need to have internet. That's it. Okay. Like how Facebook. Similarly, you can open this. Yes, in fact, you can open like a app also. You can open like a app also. You can install as an app, and you can open like a app as well.
So basically, the Oracle forms are now eliminated from the Fusion, right? If I'm not wrong.
Oracle forms. We'll
Yeah,
see that.
EBS was basically using this since we are using Oracle EBS right now in our company. Majority of the activities are done through Oracle forms.
So basically, Oracle EBS is Java, sir. Java forms.
Yeah, correct.
Completely different. Okay, there's a web-based forms, ADF forms currently. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So basically, sir, my concern was we'll be getting an improved performance when we talk about this Fusion application as compared to Oracle EBS, right?
No, sir. Compared to Oracle EBS, this performance is less because that is your local. Always local system has more performance compared to
Okay.
the
Okay.
compared to the cloud.
Okay. Okay.
Now this is a landing page screen. Okay, landing page team. And here, suppose I'll take a simple example. I will talk about our work, what we are going to do in the future. I am so here under procurement approvals. We can configure approvals here. So suppose if you want to purchase below $100, it is auto approved. Between $100 to $5,000, it should be approved by your manager. If it is $5,000 to $10,000, it should be approved by your manager. If it is more than that, it should be approved by IT director or vice president or CEO or CFO. Approvals. So what is the client approval matrix? Your client will give you that data and you have to configure that in the application. This is one of the setup example that I'm talking about. Purchase approvals. So who is going to approve? Who is going to approve your purchases based on the dollar amount? Based on the dollar amount, your client will give you that data. You have to set up that data in the application. And after setting up the data, you have to perform the testing. Because within $100 auto approval, right? From $100 to $5,000, your manager should approve. So you have to create the configuration. After creating the configuration, you have to test your configuration. Once the testing is completed, you will ask a client to test. Who has to finally test? Client. Once client finally has tested, then you are going to move that setup from test environment to the real environment. Nothing but production environment. So this we do in our project.
So
This
do
is, I'm
we
talking
have
about,
a
I'm talking
position and job role both here? Like
all the vacancies are available. Yes. So I'm talking about only one setup. Like this, we have to configure all the setups based on the client requirement. So what is our work is, we need to talk to the client and we need to understand what client is expecting and we have to document that. We have to document that. After that, we have to configure in the application. After the configuration is completed, configuration document also we need to prepare. And we have to test that functionality. For that, we need to prepare test cases. Okay, once you hand over that functionality to the client, if they face any issues, we need to fix those issues also. And finally, we have to migrate into the production environment. This is I'm talking about one setup. We will be doing all this for all the setups. So it's a no
Hello,
coding.
sir.
We don't need
Uh,
anything. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. I have a question here.
Mm.
We have different environments, right, from lower to higher. So first of all, we have to do setups in dev environment.
Correct.
So
Later, finally,
is there any process to move the what are the setups you have done in dev environment to test to production, or we have to do manually again in the respective environments?
So basically, not only to Nanda, I'm answering this question to all of you. So the reason for asking you to note down your questions because your questions are covered in the next classes. I'll prove that. Someone asked about approval hierarchies, right? So here I'm covering that. You see,
Okay.
someone just asked about it. Okay, so your questions are covered in the coming slides. Okay. Next, someone just Nanda is asking about moving the configurations from one environment to another environment. So I'm going to talk about that here. Okay.
Okay.
Export and import functionality from one environment to another environment. So your questions are, I have been teaching from so many years. That's why all your questions, I know what type of questions are asked in the classes that I'm covering in the coming slides. To answer you, Nanda, yes, that is available. We can migrate the configurations from one environment to another environment. Okay.
Yeah, okay. And one more thing, here we do configurations in lower environments. For testing, we also do as a functional consultants or
Basic,
any other testing team is there. I mean, what is the flow?
basically, it depends upon the project and budget. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
if you have a budget, then you can separately have a QA team separately, and they will be doing the testing. Otherwise, we have to do the testing.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay. So basically, coding is not required for this application. Okay. One more example I'll tell you. One more example I'll tell you. This is especially for beginners. Beginners who are freshers, non-IT people, domain people. This is for you. Okay. I'm creating a user here. I'm creating a user. Coming to username here. What about the username? Login name should be email ID or first name dot last name or employee ID. Coming to username. Username you want in which way? So for that, there is a setup provided by Oracle. So I'll show you that setup. So here you can configure the username pattern here in this setup. You can configure username like this. Your email ID going to be your username, login name, or first name dot last name, or first name, first letter followed by last name, or employee ID. So out of these 4 options, you have to check with the client. You have to ask the client, you want which option? You want which option? Accordingly, you have to configure the application. Here, no assumptions. No assumptions. Everything you have to ask the client, and according to the client, you have to configure the application. So Oracle has provided, you have to convey to the client that Oracle has provided you 4 options. Your email ID can be the login name, username, or first name dot last name, or can be employee ID or first name, first letter, last name. You have to talk about these 4 options to the client. Which option you want me to configure for you? You have to check with the client, and accordingly you have to configure the application. So this entire process we need to document. We have to document. So being a SaaS consultants, what we are going to do? What we are going to do? We are going to configure this ERP application based on the client requirement. Okay. And I'll be teaching in the latest version only. So we'll be doing the classes and practice everything in the latest version. Currently, we are in 24D. Okay. So January ending will come to 25A. Currently, we are in which version? 24D. So this 11 is nothing but what? 11 is nothing but what, team?
The version.
Release.
11th generation.
Then
11th generation. This 13 is nothing but current version.
Version.
24 is nothing but
Year.
year. 10 is nothing but month. 10 is nothing but month. 10 is nothing but month. Okay. So now we are going to do what? We're going to become the SAS consultants, functional consultants. Okay, we fall here. So these are the current major modules that are available under Oracle Fusion. Financials available, HRMS is available, CRM is available, projects is available, GRC is available. But we will be learning these two areas, these two offerings, procurement and supply chain management. We are going to learn supply chain management and procurement, these two.
Sir,
Okay.
one question, sir.
Individually, if you ask me, these are the modules that I'm covering. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, basically Oracle 11i EBS is having say a module called Enterprise Asset Management.
Yes.
So does this Fusion is having similar kind of thing, or
same model is there? Sorry, same model is there. Yes. So these are the models I'm covering: inventory, product management, order management, and order management related models are GOP, distributor order orchestration, pricing. These three models are connected to order management, and then costing also. I'm covering costing as well.
Do you touch base with Groovy script?
It's under technical.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, for manufacturing, cover in the manufacturing.
So this course itself, it is taking 3 months, not more than 3 months it is taking. That's the manufacturing I'm not combining here. Okay. So for manufacturing, again, minimum 45 days to 50 days are required. That's why supply chain and procurement, these two I'm covering. Supply chain and procurement, these two I'm covering. Okay. So this is about procurement suite, purchasing, and this is the latest Redwood module that is called responsive self-service procurement, supplier portal, sourcing, procurement contracts, and supplier qualification management. Supplier qualification management. So totally how many modules I'm covering? 1, 2, 3, I think 13 modules I'm covering totally. If you count in the previous slide, 13 modules totally I'm covering. And coming to the important concepts. So these are the important concepts that I'm covering under these modules: order to cash cycle, return sales order, drop ship, back-to-back, transfer order, approvals, credit hold, and accounting entries. All these cycles I will show you on top of our company data. I will assume a sample client. I will be assuming a sample client. On top of that company configurations, I will show you all these business transactions. So
You
it's
have
nothing.
covered the financial orchestration in the back-to-back or...
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
Where I am, yeah. So I'm talking about these concepts. All these concepts, I will take a sample client as an example, and I will configure all those client entities and everything. On top of that, I'll show you all these important business transactions and cycles. It's nothing but one end-to-end implementation project is covered in the classes. One end-to-end implementation project. And these are other...
And Krishna, also related tables also?
Yes. So here it is. These are also other important concepts like approvals. In case of approvals, I'm covering all the 5 types of hierarchies. Only on the approvals, I need 8 hours. Only on the approvals, I need 8 hours. So in the training, in the total 3 months of time, daily 1 hour. I'll talk about that in the coming slides. So I'll be taking 8 hours only to the approvals. And the period close process, customizations, and standard reports that are available, tables that are available. I'll talk about tables also. Okay. And this is data migration and other concepts. So coming to the data migration is nothing but for beginners to understand, simple example is Suppose you purchased a new mobile. From the old mobile, you have to migrate the data to the new mobile, right? So that means data migration. Similarly, when any client is implementing Oracle Fusion, the client data currently in the current ERP application, we need to migrate that data from the current ERP application to the Fusion application. That's called data migration. Oracle has provided these three techniques. I'll be covering these three techniques in the coming classes. FBDI, ADFDI, task level upload. And this is reporting part. We can also generate reports drag and drop. That's called as OTBI. Using this OTBI feature, we can develop the reports using drag and drop. And I'll be covering the configurations that will be migrated from one environment to another environment. We can configure under one environment that we can copy paste under another environment. Nothing but we can export and import into the another environment. So from the lower environment to the production environment, we can migrate the configurations. Okay. I will also talk about what is the key takeaways. Nothing but what to do, what not to do in when you are doing a particular concept. Suppose example, in case of import and export this feature, approvals cannot be migrated. Approvals you have to configure manually only. It cannot be migrated. So like that, in every concept, how things has to be done properly, and what is possible in that functionality and what is not possible in that functionality, and what is my experience in my projects that I'll be covering in the classes.
One question, Krishna. In this OTBI, as a technical consultant, we need to learn the OBI or no need?
Not required, sir.
Okay.
Sir, FRS report also will cover at 30% included.
I did not work on FRS reports. Being a supply chain consultant, we don't touch. Financial consultants are going to touch that part. Supply chain, we don't touch that part at all. So, and also implementation methodology. So to do an implementation, there are some phases are there. What is first phase, what we do in the first phase, second phase, third phase. Some phases are there in each phase, what we perform, that will be covered. And also what documents we prepared in the each phase also. I have those templates also. Whatever the templates that I prepared in my project, those templates also I'll share with you. So this is about the home page. I've shown you this home page. And I'm talking about Redwood also, right? If you see, this is the same page. If you see, this is the same page. See the look and feel in three different devices. This is called Redwood. This is called Redwood. So Redwood pages are new look and feel and a compatibility between all the devices. Same experience. This is laptop, this is tablet, and this is mobile. Okay. So currently, whatever the Redwood pages are available under supply chain management, that we'll be using in the classes. Okay. As I mentioned, not all the pages are under Redwood. 30 to 40% of pages are under the Redwood for supply chain management that we'll see in the classes. Okay. It's a new experience, new look and feel, new skin, and new compatibility, reactiveness with the Redwood. And I'm talking about implementation methodology, right? In every phase, what we do and what is our work in every phase. If you just read this slide, that is enough. You'll understand. Once 70% of the course is completed, you just take a screenshot of this picture. And if you just understand what is there in this picture, that is enough. Okay. I'll be finishing in next 10 minutes team. So after that, I'll take your questions. Next 10 minutes, I'll be finishing. And these are the documents. These are the documents that will be prepared in the projects. These document templates I have, whatever I prepared in my project, those templates I have, I will share with you. And we have a placement program also, not only for freshers or domain people. We have a placement program for experienced folks also who are planning to shift their career from Oracle EBS to Fusion. So there is a qualification criteria for the placement program. We will track your attendance and we will track your daily assignments also. I'll be conducting the mock-up interviews and later we'll help you with the resume preparation. And there will be a placement separate wing is there. So your profile is shared to that placement department and they will be arranging the interviews for you. So to qualify to this placement program, you have to meet all these criteria. When you meet all these criteria, then we will try to place you into the companies. It could be fresher or domain people or experienced folks. This is about course details. Totally, I need not only 70, I need 80 hours because I'm covering 2 years, supply chain management and procurement. That's why I'm covering a vast portion. After completion of the course, you can confidently, in fact, keep 4 or 5 projects in your resume and you can try for the jobs. That amount of knowledge I'll be sharing in the classes. But what I'm expecting is the practice. If you're just attending the classes, that will not help you. You have to practice. Practice makes man's perfect. Without practice, how much you practice, that many projects you can put in your resume. So whether you have to apply as a fresher or you have to apply as a 2 years experience or 8 years experience or 6 years experience, it depends upon how much practice and how much knowledge you are gaining from the training. Okay. So I'll tell this example in every class. You find a best institute to become an IAS and you paid a fee in that institute to become an IAS. Will you become an IAS? You found a best institute. Tutor is best and you paid the fee. Will you become an IAS? What about your dedication, commitment, right? It depends upon that. Whether you have to apply as a fresher or experience, all depends upon your practice. Okay. But one good step is nothing but you have to find a good trainer. We are with you. So I'll be teaching all the concepts from basic to advanced and from simple to complex, all the different real-time scenarios. I have predefined interview question and answers also. You can go and check in our YouTube channel also currently. There are totally 8 hours interview question and answers videos are there, 8 hours. And I have 500 interview question on the set of documents are there. I'll be sharing with you. Everything is available. All you have to do is you have to practice and you have to read. And you should be committed to attend the classes on daily basis. I'll be capturing the attendance also daily basis. So timing is 7 to 8 morning, daily 1 hour, Monday to Saturday. I'll be taking the classes Monday to Saturday, and application access will give for 6 months. 6 months application access. And 1 year membership. If you register for one batch, you can attend multiple batches within 1 year. You can attend multiple batches means, because of your personal reasons, projects reasons, if you drop from the batch, you have 1 year time. You can attend any number of batches in 1 year. And every live session get recorded, uploaded to our environment. We have a learning portal. In fact, we have mobile app also. No institute in Oracle is providing a mobile app. We are providing. Mobile app is also available. Both Android is available, iOS is available. All these recordings are available under mobile app. After completion of the session, you can catch up those recordings. Suppose in case if you missed the class or if you wanted to watch again, you can see those recordings from our web portal, learning portal, or from the mobile app also. So those videos are uploaded within 2 hours. And let me show you that platform. To you. I'm showing a learning portal. And in fact, you can download the mobile app from your Play Store and Apple Store also. These recordings are available after completion of the class within how much time? Within how much time?
2 hours.
2 hours. Thank you. So, to my login, a lot of courses are available in my login. So currently this is 64th batch. This is 64th batch. You can see all these videos are uploaded module wise, topic wise also. You can see including the date and topic wise also all these videos are uploaded. So these are HD recorded videos. These are HD recorded videos. And in fact, you can control the speed of these videos also. You can control the speed from here, and you can control the quality also. Quality of these videos. According to your internet speed, this will be get auto adjusted. But in case if you want to control, you can control this. And from this learning portal, not only the videos, you can also access the application from here itself. If you click on the lab, you can see the application details for login and practice. Not only application details, material link also. We are giving you material from the Google Drive. That Google Drive link is also available under lab section only. Okay. After completion of the course, once you watch these videos, you can mark it as completed. Once it is marked as completed, you can see your course progress change it to 100%. Once it is 100%, you will see a download button. After you complete your profile information, you will see a download button. If you click on the download button, you can download your course completion certificate, the digital course completion certificate. In case if you are going for a reimbursement from your company, you can show that certification, and you can also use that certification in your LinkedIn wall also. Okay, just to show that you upgraded your knowledge on the Fusion side. And we value your feedback team. So at the end of the course, you can rate our faculty knowledge or course curriculum, your overall satisfaction. You can rate here. And as I mentioned, we review your feedback, and we value your feedback to improve, because every day is a learning and every day is an improvement. So I always believe in that. So the same is available under mobile app also, but under mobile app, only recordings are available. Only recordings are available. You cannot able to download the course completion certificate, and you cannot able to access the lab from the mobile app. Only videos are available from the mobile app. Okay. And so I have a material also. I'll be sharing the material with you, and then my project documents, and we have a WhatsApp group for our discussions. In fact, I'm also available in that WhatsApp group. After the registration, we will add you into the WhatsApp group. And a latest features explanation. My class is always on the latest functionality, on the latest environment. I'll be teaching the latest features also. In fact, I'll be inviting for a couple of workshops also. Whenever Oracle is giving us the new features, I'm also conducting the workshops. I'll be inviting to the workshops as well. And as I mentioned, interview questions are available, and I'll also conduct the mock-up interviews also. And let me show you the training material and the assignments part. I stopped my screen sharing. I'll share screen back to you.
In the meanwhile, Krishna, I have a question.
Yeah.
That I'm working as a technical consultant in Oracle EBS. So will this functional information, will it be useful in my earlier version as well? I mean, the functional content are same
Correct,
in
sir.
Fusion and ERP, or is it totally different?
Business process functionality is same, sir. Look and feel navigation is different.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. What is the refresh rate for the instance that you provide for the 6 months?
We have refresh and non-refresh, both are available, sir. Team, you can see here, right? I'll be checking the practice status from all these students, you can see. I'll be giving the assignments, and I'll be tracking your practice status also. I no need to provide any document, because my students are practicing and beautifully preparing the documents actually. So every day I'll be tracking their practice status like this from all the batches. I will be checking their practice status and their assignments also like this from here. So this guy is from 63rd batch, and this lady is from 64th batch. So whatever I'm teaching in the classes, they has to practice, and they has to send me the document like this. Okay. And coming to the materials, I'll be showing the material now. I think it's in some other email ID, I think. Daily practice status I'll verify, because practice is important. If I just only teach, that is not sufficient. It is not useful to you. I need to, take care of your practice progress also. That's why, I'll insist you to practice. Don't take me wrong. Sometimes I also scold if you don't practice. It's all for your benefit only. Because my personal satisfaction is not only getting the registration, when I get personal satisfaction when the students are get placed. If it is useful to them, then only the self-satisfaction. So this is the Google Drive that I'll be sharing with you. And in this Google Drive, module-wise, inventory documents, procurement documents, and interview questions, and the costing, order management document. Okay. So this is how the documents are given to you, including the definitions and navigations. You can practice by looking at these documents. Okay. Not only this, real-time, coming to real-time documents also I'm giving you the templates, whatever the templates that I prepared in the projects. So project plan, requirement gathering template, and then user manuals by module wise, and the configuration documents also. Configuration document, auto management configuration document, and inventory configuration document, procurement configuration document, costing configuration document. Configuration documents also I'll be sharing with you. So, and also OEM methodology. Here OEM methodology, nothing but implementation methodology, 2.5 hours video is available. And I'll be helping you with the resume preparation also. Everything ready-madely available. Okay, all you have to do is you have to give time for the course and for practice. Okay, so we just discussed about this portal just now. And please, we are also offering other Oracle courses also, like supply chain management, HCM, financials, technical, manufacturing and planning. Separate courses are available. Okay, if you want, you can enroll for those courses also. You can check out the reviews also. These are the reviews given by the students from the last 12 years, because I started institute in 2012. So you can check out our Google reviews and Just Dell reviews. Basically, we are this. We're providing the real-time knowledge, and whatever the best is available in the market, we are giving to the students. So from tomorrow onwards, we are resuming the classes. From tomorrow onwards, what is the timing, team?
7 to 8.
Correct.
7 to 8.
7 to 8 morning, same meeting ID. Same meeting ID. You can try tomorrow class also. Tomorrow class also absolutely free. You can verify the course curriculum that I'm covering. I'm covering the best course curriculum, undoubtedly. Okay. And if you're not satisfied, I can refund your money also. Okay. So that
Yeah, Krishna, I have one question. Tomorrow the class will start at 7 a.m. IST or 8 a.m. IST?
7 a.m. IST.
Okay.
Yeah. Same meeting ID. You can try tomorrow class also, verify the course curriculum, and you can check out our Google reviews also, and compare our facilities that we are providing. As I mentioned, mobile app nobody is providing, and instances access also we are giving 2 instances, non-refresh and refresh, for 6 months. All the real-time templates that I have, interview questions, real-time templates, everything I'm providing to you. So you can check everything, and if you like, then only enroll with us. Okay. So if you want, you can do the enrollment from the website as well. You can enroll from the website also if you want.
Hi, Krishna. I have one doubt. Generally, I'm working with the hybrid in my office currently. So for a few days, I'm not able to attend the class at 7 because my shift time from 4 a.m. to 2:30 generally. So that time, at the time of office, sometime I'm not able to attend the class. So what will the solution for that?
We have giving the videos. So whenever you are attending the live classes, you capture what are the questions that you have. Well,
Okay, but you have one criteria for that mock interview and placement program, so that will be applicable for me or not? Because that also in matter, no? Because I'm also
conduct the mock-up interviews. Okay, once I conduct mock-up interviews, then if you are performing well, then attendance is not a mandatory.
Okay.
So you can enroll the course. I've shared the website URL. Okay, and if you want to directly register yourself here.
Yeah, hello.
Oh, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi Krishna.
Tell me, I can hear.
Yeah. So we have 1 hour session, 7 to 8. Right? So if means I'm having some doubt, then when mean I supposed to ask?
Sir, for every 15 minutes, once I finish the concept, I'll give you time. Okay. So that time related to that concept, you can clarify your questions. If you're having any practice doubts after 1 hour, I'll checking the practice status and I'll be giving the assignments and I'll be taking your practice doubts also after completion of 1 hour class.
Okay, so after completion of 1 hour class, we will have a means
Q&A.
question round.
Yeah, Q&A,
So
and as well as I'll be checking your practice status as well. In case if you don't have any questions, you can drop out. Okay. If you're having any questions,
so,
still,
yeah. So one more thing here. Actually, my office timing is 8:30. So I need to leave by 8. So in that case, suppose if I'm having any question, means so then when I supposed to ask, like on Saturday or any time.
We can start a little early also, not a problem. We can start 6:50 the session. Okay. If people are having more questions, I can start early, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
For the first 10 minutes, we can have a Q&A. We can coordinate. Okay. All these things can be done with the coordination based on your comfortability, my comfortability. Okay.
Hi, sir. Mohit this side. I have one question.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
So can I join through my phone only, or I need to use laptops?
Sir, for better experience, I suggest you at least tablet, sir. Tablet and laptop for better experience. Mobile phone, you cannot able to,
But for practice also, can I use mobile, or you only suggested that?
No. It can be accessed from mobile, but practicing from mobile is very difficult.
Okay.
Sorry, can you tell what time is course here? The training you are going to start?
So timing is 7 to 8, sir. Same meeting ID.
Okay.
Same meeting ID 7 to 8, sir.
Is it going to be 5 days a week or 6 days a week?
Sir, you can see here. I have written also.
Monday to
I have written also. Monday to Saturday.
Sir, is there any I can contact you?
You can call to the institute, sir. Okay.
Institute only. So we are not able to call. Okay. For a person, if you have any queries like.
You can clarify after the class or before the class.
That's why I need to contact.
Hello, sir. Course duration we can repeat.
Sir, 70 hours, sir. 3 months.
3 months. Okay.
Yeah.
I've written here. Your questions are I've written here.
And can we access all the people?
So Krishna, can you please explain this?
Hi, Krishna. So I wanted to ask that can we access all the courses, or if we have registered for SCM, we can have knowledge of SCM only?
Madam. All the courses, how can? Only
As in, okay. So my basic question was, I belong to CPQ domain. Okay. So that is why I was asking that how can I help? How can it help?
Yeah.
Recording videos, how many months it will be accessed, sir?
1 year, madam. This portal access for 1 year.
If we done 3 months course, later we can rejoin again. Means for within 1 year we can join again.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Without any.
What about instance, sir?
6 months, madam. You see here.
6 months. Okay. Even though I record also 6 months or within 1 year.
Instance for 6 months and your membership is for 1 year. 1 year we can attend multiple classes. Within 1 year, you can also access that portal, mobile app and learning portal.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Mukund, go ahead with your
instance is
question.
the Vision instance or is any development environment? 1
second, I'll tell you. Mukund, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Krishna, good morning. Like I'm working as a Linux admin from past 3 years.
Yeah.
So I want to switch to like Oracle Fusion. So what is the package I can expect, and what sort of company, like in a product based, or will I get placed?
Mostly all the companies are having this, like HCL, IBM, Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Infosys, all the companies. Startups are also having this one, okay? Mostly all the companies are having, and coming to the packages, number of years into minimum 3 lakhs, like 5 years into 3, 15 lakhs, 10 years into 3, 30 lakhs, minimum basic packages, number of years into 3 lakhs.
Okay, look, only for this,
My
like
students
what?
are also having packages more than me. One of my students who I placed in 2018, and right now he's earning 30 lakhs. 2018 means how many years? 2 plus 4, 6.
Yeah,
For
6
he's
years.
getting 30 lakhs. When I tried to place him to the other company, he's expecting 45 lakhs now.
Okay, okay, with this skill set only, right? Like we need to learn anything additionally, like going on.
Not right.
Sir,
Okay.
I have doubt.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to ask one more thing, if I can ask.
1 second, sir. I'll clarify. Nandi, you are asking about questions related to instance, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, I'm providing 2 instances, sir. One is the Vision demo instance, and another one is the private instance. Okay, both I'm providing.
Okay. So in that private instance, I mean, everything we need to do configurations from the scratch.
Correct. That's why you have to practice.
Okay. Yeah. So in that, every individual can create their own project and create their own orgs, inventories, their setups, right? Individual.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
That also.
Is there any possibility to increase the time for the access?
It's not free for us, sir. We are also paying, so it's not working for us.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Okay, if want to access after 6 months, then is there any cost for that?
Separately, you can buy. Okay, so you can talk
How
to
much it is?
You can talk to institute commercial.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Krishna, is there any other timings as any other batches?
Every
Because my
month
shift
I'm
timing is
starting.
of
Every month
7 p.m. to 4 a.m.
Every month I'm starting one batch, sir. So next batch is going to be morning 8 o'clock. Currently, I'm having only morning batches because the reason I'm working for US projects. So evening I have a meeting, sir. That's why I'm handling only morning slots. The current batch slot is 7 to 8. Next batch slot is 8 to 9 morning.
I have the same question actually. When is this 8 o'clock batch is going to start?
Next month.
Next month.
Next month.
Yeah, Krishna. I have experience in different domain, like customer support executive. I have experience on travel support experience. This is completely different for me. So I don't know about this software side anything.
So basically, there are no prerequisites to learn this course. Okay, if you're from background, you can learn this, and I'll be teaching from basic to advanced. But compared to others, you have to more focus and need more time for learning this. Okay.
If I go for, if once I
Hi,
completed this
Krishna.
training, if I'll go for another job also, whether they will take my previous experience or they will hire for fresher.
No, sir, your previous experience is not countable. So what you have to do is you have to, because your previous experience is not into the supply chain side, it's
Yes.
something else. That's what is not countable. So you have to, accordingly your practice, you have to put up some projects in your resume and you have to try like 4 years or 5 years or 6 years. You have to put up your resume and you have to try. Okay, but it depends upon again your commitment. Okay, you should be committed well enough to gain that knowledge and practice in the course.
I have the same
Sir,
question.
Pujay here. I have project management experience of almost 10 years. Will it be helpful to switch from PMO to this
Basically,
this experience?
to shift to IT side, this is the right platform, because if you take other platforms, it requires coding. Okay, this is non-code. This is
Right.
process oriented.
So the PMO experience like staffing and resourcing will be the added advantage for this, or is there any common things, common topics?
So coming to your experience, what you can do, you can put as a technical manager. Technical manager in the sense, you are doing technical stuff and you are also manage, because since you are having project management experience also, right? In one of the batch, I
But
feel
it is completely non-technical. I'm more of a staffing, resourcing part, Excel reporting, PPT and all, managing the team, getting the reports done.
I understood completely, because I'm also
Yeah.
handling the recruitment currently in my office. So I'm
Hi,
able to.
Krishna. Just one question. Do we get any on-site opportunities like
Lot of
inside
opportunities
India?
are available.
Or
Lot of
outside India?
correct, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Krishna,
English
my
speaking.
question is, I'm working as a technical consultant, Oracle ERP technical consultant since last six years, right? And prior to that, I was working as a BI consultant. So will it be work? I mean, will my experience would be in the sync if I shift from the technical to financial, functional line?
Become a techno-functional, sir, basically.
Okay.
Will
Okay.
become a techno-functional, and it's up to you.
Mhm.
Later, you want to balance yourself on the both functional and technical side, or you want to do only functional side, it's up to you later.
So they will count my earlier experience as well, right?
Correct, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Yeah, hi Krishna sir. I want to ask. I am from banking background only, so I have an experience of 7 years in insurance. So I know I'll be considered as fresher only, but
Correct.
my package is the biggest constraint that I don't want to start at. You can say 3 or 4 lakh, right? So
Then you put up some experience in this side.
okay, so I need to start from the scratch only, from fresher only.
Two things, if you go as a fresher, your package is less. If you want more package, you put up 4, 5, or 6 years, then you get good package. That's it.
Okay.
Only two options. And
but
Abhay, go ahead with your question.
yeah, like what is the
Yeah, thanks,
impact of
Krishna.
AI? Or...
Second, sir. One second. Abhay.
Yeah. Yeah, Krishna, thanks for opportunity. I would like to ask regarding this practice. Whenever we are doing practice in a whole day after our session, so you said before or after class we can ask, but meanwhile during practice if we have to ask, so where in
WhatsApp
that?
group is available, sir. In that WhatsApp group, I'm also available. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Most
no problem.
probably, whatever the mistakes that you do, I cover in the class itself. Okay. This is how you do the mistake. Okay. I'll cover. Most probably you won't get. Okay. And recording is also available. You can follow the recording and material. You would have clarified on yourself. If not, you can post that question in the group.
For this batch, we have a WhatsApp group also, right?
Yes.
Thanks,
Yes.
Krishna.
Not only this batch, in that group, all the previous batch people are
Okay,
also,
everyone is there on the
yeah,
WhatsApp.
so that we can share, not only me, others are also helping you. You are helping them, they're gonna help you. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, the installment will be in, we can do the payment in installment or it's one time?
Please stop to Padma about commercials. Okay. I don't talk.
Okay.
Krishna sir, this is Venkat. Regarding this recording of these meetings, how we can download after the session? Can I?
Sir, download facility is not available. Okay. You can access from our portal itself. Okay.
So how we need to access that portal?
After the registration, sir. After registration, you get access to that portal.
And one more doubt. You said regarding this instance, demo instance and private instance. While doing the implementation, I heard that every 1 week that data will get refreshed. Is that like that? Yeah.
For demo instance, every 2 weeks data get refreshed, sir. For private instance, data won't be refreshed, sir.
So we can get that private instance, right, after
Both I'm
registration?
giving. Both
Come again?
Both I'm giving.
Okay.
Both
Thank
accesses I'm giving for 6 months.
Yeah, thank you.
Because I'll be tracking your practice status and I'll be scolding you on the practice. If I don't give a proper distance to you, you're gonna scold back to me.
No. Thank you.
Krishna, so I'm joined lately. So what are all the modules that we're going to cover?
I'm covering supply chain and procurement, sir. Okay, so you can check the email that you might have received or maybe WhatsApp message related to the
If I require in transport or finance, then is it separate cost? Can anybody help on that?
Sir, I'm covering supply chain and procurement. If you want to learn Oracle Transport Management or WMS, the separate courses, sir. Okay. This is what I'm covering. These are the
So inventory, procurement, and order management, GOP, orchestration, pricing, and cost. What is GOP, sir?
Global order promising, sir. It's a connected
Okay.
module to order management.
Okay. Okay.
Krishna, what about this negotiation and all?
It's a sourcing, sir. It comes under sourcing.
Contract will also be a part of it, right?
Correct. Procurement contracts comes
Yeah.
under procurement suite.
Krishna, if I buy another course which is SCM training online course and only recordings will be available. If I have doubts, is there any way to reach out to you or?
Basically, self-paced is nothing but self-paced only. Okay, you are going to learn everything on yourself.
Okay, but no help
Correct.
it will be available from your
Live
side.
training,
Okay.
you can connect with me, but self-paced is everything you have to learn on self.
Okay.
And this artificial intelligence, it will be given the study material and all, or we have to learn from scratch.
So basically, AI, there are less features are there under AI. Okay, so you don't need a separate material for that. Okay, so I'll give you the techniques how to use artificial intelligence under our ERP, under our supply chain management.
Okay.
This is basically I'm starting from this batch only. Redwood and artificial intelligence, I'm starting from this batch only, from this year.
Krishna, all the syllabus belongs to supply chain consultant as a Oracle supply chain
Supply
consultant,
chain
right?
procurement, correct.
Okay.
So this current video recording we will get or not? Today's recording.
You'll get an email and you'll get a WhatsApp message also.
Okay,
Shubham, your
thank
question
you.
is cleared. Shubham?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, can you please lower your hand? And Gaurav Singh, if your question clarified, can you please lower your hand also? Vaibhav?
Initially we had a discussion. You told me ask at last for regarding this technical batch or this SCM batch.
Okay. Can you please remind me at the end? I'll clarify.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Vaibhav B?
Yes, why for this?
Yeah. You're good? Do you have any questions?
Krishna, I would like to ask,
One more thing I want
I have a BBA background, but
One more
I
thing
was
I want
doing
to
my own
emphasize.
shop, but because of loss, I have I had another business for computer repairing. But now that is also in the loss. Now I decided to go with the Oracle. I'm having basic knowledge of supply chain management. So will this be beneficial for me?
Sir, as I already mentioned, basically to shift to the IT side, this is the right technology, okay? Because other all technologies are having coding.
Because
So
I'm bothered about means job because I'm having gap in my career. So
how
whether
much
it
gap?
will it be okay if I go
How
with
much
this
gap?
course because I'm worried about a job and placements because I don't have any for before
Sir,
experience
please answer my question, sir, okay? How much gap you are having?
around 4 to 5 years.
That you have to fill up. That
Okay.
you have to fill up. That's it. You have to put 4 or 5 projects and you have to try.
Okay.
Same
But
question I have answered to another person. Okay. The same answer is also applicable to you. Okay. You
okay.
have 4 to 5 years of experience. You have to practice well and you have to gain that much knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Krishna.
And one more thing, team. Today in the demo, you'll see many people, but later after the registration, you won't see this much crowd. Okay. So don't think like many people are there. Like don't think like that because this is a free session. Many people are gonna join. They'll ask different questions. They come. No, not all of them are really interested. Everybody will get a time to clarify your questions. I'll stay back and I clarify everybody's question. Then only I'll close the session. Okay. Next question, please.
Krishna, currently I'm working in a company for 3 years in in global supply chain management. So will that experience will be count in this supply chain consultant?
Yeah, it's considered as a domain experience, sir. Okay. Some
Okay,
companies,
okay.
they will consider you as the domain experiences and they will take you. And especially some companies are actually looking for your sort of people since you're having
Mm-hmm.
experience. And then later application experience means added advantage for you.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Thanks.
Hi Krishna. So I had this route. I have completed my MBA in 2022 in finance, and then I got into Oracle CPQ. But now I want to shift from CPQ so that since I do not have technical knowledge, okay, and there are two streams I was confused about. Shall I take the SCM course or the finance course as I have done MBA finance? So, what will you suggest? I wanted an heads up.
Yeah. See, your confusion is whether financials or supply chain management, right?
Right.
Uh, both are actually good. Okay, so supply chain is good and financials is good, but since you're having CPQ experience, you're somewhere related to the supply chain side
Okay.
because configure, price, quote, it is related to supply chain area. I would
Right.
suggest you go with supply chain management because your current experience is into CPQ side.
Okay. So, in future, this experience will be considered, right? If I take SCM.
Not only future, currently also your experience is considered. Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me
Thank
give
you.
opportunity to others also. Earlier.
Mhm.
Hi,
Kumar.
Krishna. Hi, Krishna.
Yeah, Amjad, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, the
Good.
real, if we learn this course, how we will crack from our self-interview. They were asking like real-time questions and scenario-based
That
questions. They
everything
are
I'll
asking.
give you, sir. I have proved, a lot of my students are
Oh,
getting
okay,
the
okay.
jobs by putting, 4 or 5
Yeah,
projects in their resume. I proved many times.
some of my friends are giving self-interviews and they
Okay.
are facing in scenario-based questions only. They are unable to give the
Sir,
correct
one
answers.
thing I would say, sir, okay, suppose you are attending 10 interviews. First
Yeah,
interview scenario based, let us take an example.
yeah.
Get panic and you will not attend second interview. But not all the 10 interviews are not like scenario based.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so the more interviews that you are attending, the more chances of getting the job, sir. Okay, first
yeah,
let
yeah.
us take 10 questions. Second interview, 10 questions. Totally, how many questions? 20 questions. 5
Contribution.
interviews, how many questions? 50 questions. So if you attend for 5 interviews, 50 questions, from the sixth interview, your probability of getting the job more.
Yeah, right, right.
You can do seventh interview, eighth interview. Those scenarios I'm covering.
Yeah,
I'll give you 4 to 5 scenarios. Those 4 to 5 scenarios, you have to frame yourself how to project or how to explain.
yeah,
And you have to explain that in the interview. Suppose
yeah.
example, movie story is also single line only, but how
Yes,
beautifully you are going to narrate to the other person, it is important. Suppose I'm
yeah.
talking about a scenario, that scenario, how you are framing, how beautifully you are narrating to the interview is important.
Yes, right. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, okay, thank you.
Krishna, Krishna, like any chances for evening batches?
Sir,
7 to 8?
I'm working for a US project, sir. So evening I have meetings. That's why I'm not finding time.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
okay, okay.
real-time working professional. That's the reason only morning batches I have as of now.
Krishna, how about opportunities in US? If anybody has
Lot of
H1B or something.
opportunities are there, sir. US and Middle East are, having lot of opportunities for Oracle ERP. Lot of consultants are there. Lot of jobs are there.
Okay.
Ravi T, you're good.
Krishna, yeah, most of questions are answered. But one thing, right, I have 17 years, right? So is it okay? I know I can do it, but just wanted to get confirmation. Moving
Sir,
from different
you said
technology
you can
to,
do. Then no need to confirm from my side.
yeah, I know. It's all based on us also, right?
Correct, sir. You have the question, you have the answer, sir.
Okay. And in that 17 years, sir, I'm in IBM company actually, so I can still give that experience, right, for Oracle ERP, this project
Yes, sir.
experience. I
Yes,
can add some 6 years and then try for job.
that's correct.
Okay. And you said AI, sir, right, sir? I think you're going to cover that also.
Correct, sir. It's
That is
very
a
simple. It
recent.
shouldn't take much time, sir. Okay, maybe 1 hour. It will take. That's
Okay.
not more than that.
Yeah, now the
So some
most
students are asking, sir, AI is in Fusion, AI you are covering or not? Yes, I am covering. That is
Okay.
not that major. Okay, maybe in 1 hour I can cover AI. People
Okay.
are asking, that's why I added that flavor. That's it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, maybe in the future AI may play major role in Oracle, but now it's very little.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as I said, right, sir, we're already more experienced, right? Another 10, 15 years, we should be okay, right? I know future we cannot
Yes, sir.
predict, but
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir, of course, yes. You cannot predict any technology, sir, but compared to the other technologies, this technology is having at least a sustainability for more number of years.
okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
But one
Thank
thing
you.
we need to make sure we need to adapt to the changes. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
day by day or quarterly, those changes we need to adopt, and we need to, tune ourselves to the technology so that we don't get, what you call outdated in the market.
Yeah, yeah, okay. And one last thing, I know you have a lot, right? Functional, technical, everything. I'm being referred by one of your student only, so he was into functional only.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, like, I've been more into technical coding and all.
Mhm.
Do you think I should also see other courses, sir? Just thinking, or functional should be fine because based on my experience, I feel I should go into functional only. Um, Otherwise, the salary or package, it's all
My
same
suggestion,
across.
since you are having more number of years, down the line, you can try as a solution architect. Okay. So
Okay.
if you see functional and technical, both the courses, so maybe after you gain 2, 3 real-time projects experience, you can project yourself as a solution architect handling functional side and technical side of the components both.
Okay.
That's how you can demand more. So that is a ultimate plan you can set for yourself.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. So first I learn this functional. Later I'll try to
Correct.
deep into technical,
Correct.
and then portray as. Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yes, yes. That should be your roadmap, sir. That's my advice.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Got it. Yeah. That's all I had. Thank you.
Krishna,
Hi,
I
Krishna.
have a question. Hi, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
This is Ismail.
Ismail, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ismail.
If I'm having actually, I'm working as a freelancer in mainframe training right now.
Okay.
Okay. Previously, I have a development experience in mainframe as well. So, is it possible to get a job in Oracle SCM for my case? Is there any
Same
criteria?
question to, same answer to all of you, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all depends on you, sir, basically. Okay.
No,
So
my question is, I don't have any. I'm a freelancer, right? I cannot
no
show any
prerequisite,
experience.
no
It is a break,
prerequisite
kind of break.
not required, sir.
Yeah.
No
Sorry.
prerequisite experience is not required for this technology.
Okay, I understand that, but if I am applying for a job which requires some 3, 4 years of experience, but right now I can be perceived as a person who is in break because I am doing a freelance work. So, can you please suggest me? Can I handle this? How to handle?
Sir, since you're having a break, what you can do in that break, then you have to manage that break. Okay. I know people, I can share their details. So you manage that break and then put some 4, 5 years projects in your resume and try on this side.
I can manage my break with some other experience.
Correct. Not some
With
other Oracle experience.
yeah, from some other company.
Correct, yes.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, Krishna.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is I'm Sharad. Currently, I'm working in HCL as a in telecom project. My designation is analyst, Krishna. Is it any problem for me?
Problem, sir. That's a problem.
Okay.
And that you're working for that company, verification that may get failed.
Okay, but I'm working in HCL.
Hmm.
That would be helpful. I mean, it's a domain change like that.
But your pay slips and it shows the designation, right? So
Okay.
that designation is not apt for the Oracle side, sir.
Okay. Now, how can I do that? I mean, if I want to learn these codes.
You can learn, but what is your current salary package?
4 lakhs. My experience is around 2.7.
Then better you can try as a fresher.
Yeah, then how much I can get the package?
So just to start your career, my suggestion is for 1 year get the same salary, and then later you can ask for more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any, is there any 6 to 7 lakhs package can I get?
What companies thinks is paying 6 to 7 lakhs, for you compared to that, they'll get 2+ experience guy on Oracle, right? That's why they don't consider.
Okay.
Yeah, max 4 to 5 lakhs they'll give you.
Okay. Is there any other chance?
This is the correct way, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, you know how much you are gonna save for if you get 2 lakhs more in a year? Tell me. Huh? So if you can compromise for 1 year or 2 years, then so basically first knowledge is matters, sir. Okay. Once you gain the knowledge, then automatically you can double your packages easily.
Okay.
Don't look for 1 or 2 lakhs, sir. So that's not our criteria. Our criteria should be shift to the IT side, gaining the knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, you can manage that 1 or 2 lakhs by doing something else.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Krishna.
Thank you.
Hi, Krishna.
No, sir, this regarding this videos downloading option, once we'll get registered, we will have only access through your portal for this videos, or we can
From
download
mobile app.
after registration.
From mobile app. No download, sir. You're able to access from our portal.
Oh, through for 1 year or
For 1 year.
come again?
For 1 year, sir.
1 year. So only access only, not for downloading.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ranjit, please go ahead with your question. Okay, team, I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi, Krishna.
Yeah,
Shall
Hi,
I
Krishna.
ask some
Suresh
more
here.
questions?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Krishna. Suresh here. So actually, yeah, I already have access earlier with the self-paced course
Okay.
from 57 batch. It was good actually. I gained a lot of knowledge. So basically, my experience, I'm working with Genpact from
Okay.
US location, and majority of my experience was in technical earlier, and recently I'm working in SCM EBS
Okay.
side. Okay, and I gained good knowledge in training, but and in the interviews, right? The thing is, there are few specific questions that I'm not able to handle, right? And so I was just checking with Padma if I can upgrade to for the
Okay.
interview help also.
Okay.
So I'll talk to her, and in case if needed, I can talk to you later. Is it fine?
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah.
Sure. Sure. Thank you, Krishna.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Krishna,
Hi,
can you
Krishna.
please
Yeah,
can
okay,
we
go. I remember. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
So, Krishna, can I talk?
Yeah.
Krishna, as I told you, I belong to the sales category. I have 6 years of sales experience and 1 year of customer service experience. So, will this help for me to change from sales field to this domain? Will this work?
Sir, same question from different, it's also up. My answer also up to you, sir. Okay. So will this helpful means it all depends on you, sir. Basically, if you want to shift your side to IT side, this is the best platform because you don't have a coding. Okay. All you need to have 50% is communication, 50% is subject. Only your 50% pass through because you're having good communication. Remaining 50% you have to gain the subject knowledge. Okay. And how much package you want to get accordingly, you have to gain that much knowledge and put your projects and resume like that and try.
But my previous project, whatever the place I'm working currently, I have this PF thing and all. If I go for a different organization, what if they go for a BGB? They can find that I worked for a
How
Zomato.
much experience you're having?
6 years of experience in Zomato and 1 year of experience in customer support.
1 year experience in customer support.
1 year experience in 2016 to 17. And I started working with Zomato from 2018 to till the date. I left Zomato last couple of months back.
Okay. Now you're not working anywhere.
No, I'm not working anywhere. I left this organization because it's like I have to change my location, one location to another location since I reached my package bracket from my previous
What
organization.
is your package, last package?
12 lakhs from Zomato.
Okay.
CCTs.
Okay. Hmm.
Hello.
I'm thinking, Abhiram, how to project your profile. You have
Even sir, this goes same with me as well. I am also having this PF deductions, and I won't be able to show my experience also.
basically not all the companies are verifying that before 3 months back every company has option to verify and see your previous employment, PF and everything, but they're not having that option. It's been removed by PF department now. Now it's been removed.
Definitely it's been removed because I'm like little scared. If they go for a BGV, they definitely find that this employee has already been worked with so and so organization. This is what his proof was karke. So
Yeah.
scared about it.
Yeah. Yeah, if they go with the BGV, of course they'll come to know. But that BGV also we can handle.
In that case, yeah, we'll go ahead with it. I have been thinking whether it works or not since I worked with a sales organization and I left it. So if I go through with the supply chain management, what if they find out the fact that I
The
worked?
chances, it's not complete. It's doable, okay, but you have to take the chances, okay. It's doable only.
If it is doable, then I request you to help me to get a job, and I'll be joining.
So, you said the placement assistance will be provided, right? So, is it only for the jobs in India or is it jobs in US and Canada as well?
I know US also, sir. Okay, I'll be sharing your details to the US companies.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Krishna sir. Nanda this side.
Nanda.
Yeah, one question from my side is, are you going to cover mapping to the tables with respect to whatever configurations that will you show in upcoming sessions?
Yes, we are covering.
Like, I heard some questions from my colleagues, like, if someone asks, like, we are creating purchase orders, right? And further approvals also. Like, what is the table effect at the back end if you do these purchase orders or sales orders like that? Will you going to cover?
Yes. Covering.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Krishna. So, Krishna, we are doing to do the implementation in each module.
I'm not able to hear your voice.
Yeah, I was saying that we are going to do the implementation in each module.
Okay.
Like in order, because in SCM we have multiple modules, right? As you already shown that, like order management, purchasing, procurement. So the implementation will be done in each module, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, right. And previous question, answering to previous question, see the tables here. This is P2P tables.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, I'm covering tables by module wise and concept wise also.
Okay.
Okay, team. Gaurav, last question I'll be answering. Gaurav, go ahead with your question.
Yes.
Yeah. Please remind me your question regarding technical, right? You are more into technical side, and your question to me whether supply chain or technical, correct?
Yes. Actually, yeah, technology is going to change day by day or frequently in the means technical side. Means if I talking about like the in this Microsoft Azure also means we have data engineer means I am looked into that. So we need to learn so many things like Python, data engineer, PySpark, and too many things. And in
Sir,
this Oracle
Oracle,
also.
I got your concern, sir. Okay, in Oracle side, we are covering Oracle Fusion Technical and OSC. Okay.
Mhm.
In Fusion Technical, you'll be learning the reports development, integrations, and form personalizations. And in the OSC, you're exclusively learning the integrations. Okay.
Okay.
We have VBCS and PCS also.
Okay.
VBC and PCS also. If you learn this technical stack, that is enough. You don't need to learn more than this. This is enough. So to learn all this, it will take 60 to 70 hours. That's it.
60 to 70 hours. Okay.
That's it. This stack is enough.
Okay. And means the percentage wise means which course is beneficial to get the job and for higher package.
You are into technical side, okay? So you can able to easily map your current experience with the technical, and you are able to crack interviews very easily compared to functional side. My suggestion is technical side.
Actually, I have some ERP experience also. Means I have worked on the ERP side. So I have little bit knowledge of ERP also, like inventory, sales, purchase,
Okay.
like that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So better learn technical, sir. We are also starting the technical batch. Okay. You can be in touch with my team, and then you can better to learn technical.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, Gaurav.
So this SCM is not suitable?
Yes, sir. For your experience, it is my better. See, not suitable in the sense, looking at your current experience, my suggestion is learn technical.
No, actually, I have ERP experience also. Means I have worked on the ERP in the Oracle. I have worked on the.
Your
Huh?
perception, sir.
Sorry.
Personal decision.
Hello.
I can hear you. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah. So one last question also, Krishna. Like you mentioned that you can after completing this course means we can mention in our resume like 4-5 projects completed. Correct?
Okay.
And if I mention like working in the 4-5 years, so how can we means justify that like in previous year there was some functionality, and after passing the years the functionality will change. So how can I correlate like what are the changes between the Oracle 11G and 12C and 19C? If this type of question comes, then how can we handle that?
That it will be covered in the classes. Sir. Okay. So
That will.
yeah, it's not only you. Okay, the people who are learning this course, 50% of the people they project 4 to 5 years projects, and they will try for the jobs, and they're getting also. Okay. So that will be automatically clarified in the classes, and you're able to crack the interviews. That's not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Krishna.
Upgrade happens automatically in every quarter.
Yes, automatically happens. Yes.
I mean, if that client is going to opt that feature, or Oracle is going to do directly.
Okay. I'll be talking about the second thing, and then automatically your questions are clear. Okay.
Hi, Krishna, sir.
Okay, team. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Bhargav. Last question.
Sir, as a fresher, I completed the MBA in the 2023 in the domain marketing and supply chain. As
Okay.
a fresher, this course will be helpful for me in the future.
I think I answered you already, Bhargav. Okay, it's the right decision that you are taking. Okay, without undoubtedly, if you learn this course, if you perform well, I'll place you.
Okay, what after placement, how much can we expect the salary, sir, after the completion?
Depends on the company and your performance. Okay, I'll show you good companies. They will give you minimum 3 lakh, 3.5 lakh package. Okay. If you're not able to perform at least for 2.5 small companies, I can try for you.
Okay. In after interview facing, you will cover that also, sir, in this course. How to crack the interview?
Interview questions are there, sir. Okay, daily practice you have to do. I'll conduct mock-up.
Okay.
Yeah, that all I
That is what.
It's a repeat question, basically.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Same meeting ID. Okay. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock, 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Thank you all. Bye.
Thanks, Krishna.
Thank you.